Today, we're going to learn about possessive adjectives. These little words, like my, your, and their, help us show who something belongs to. They are simple but very important for clear and accurate sentences. Let's dive in and learn how to use them correctly. Possessive adjectives are words we use to show who something belongs to. They always come before a noun, making it clear whose item or idea we're talking about. For example, in the sentence, "This is my bag," the word my tells us who the bag belongs to. Let's learn more about them. For I, the possessive adjective is my. For example, this is my book. For you, we use your. Is this your pen? For he, the word is his. That is his car. For she, we say her. This is her dog. For it, the possessive is its, often used for animals or things. The cat drinks its milk. For we use our. This is our house. And finally, for they, we say their. These are their bags. Each possessive adjective matches its subject, so it's important to learn them in pairs. Let's go over some key points to remember about possessive adjectives. Rule number 1, possessive adjectives always come before a noun. For example, her phone, not phone her. Rule number 2, they don't change whether the noun is singular or plural. For instance, my cat and my cats, the possessive adjective stays the same. Finally, be careful with its. We use its to refer to objects or animals. It's not the same as its, which is short for it is. Keep these tips in mind and you'll use possessive adjectives like a pro. Now, let's practice using possessive adjectives. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. 1. This is book. What's the possessive adjective for I? 2. Is this car? What's the word we use for you? 3. They love teacher. Think about the possessive adjective for they. 4. She forgot keys. What's the correct word for she? Take a moment to think about your answers. In a moment, I'll show you the correct ones so you can check how you did. Let's check the answers together. 1. This is my book. The possessive adjective for I is my. 2. Is this your car? For you, the correct word is your. 3. They love their teacher. The possessive adjective for they is their. 4. She forgot her keys. For she, we use her. How did you do? If you got them all correct, great job. If not, don't worry, keep practicing and it will get easier. Thank you so much for your attention today. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated with more exciting lessons and practical exercises that will help you take your English skills to the next level. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and watch your English improve over time. Remember, every bit of effort counts. Don't forget to follow us for even more helpful resources and tips to make learning enjoyable and effective. See you next time.